Hey guys, Todd here. You know I have the beautiful Dirt Warrior upper glass doors on this machine, but it makes it really hard to do the rock crawling I like to do, where I need to look out my window and see my tire. So I am going to install the Kemimoto soft upper doors today, which will zip down and I'll be able to see out, still stay warm inside. So let's go check it out. These doors install and uninstall very easily. Watch this. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is loosen the roof. So pop open your tabs here on the roof, loosen the roof, loosen the window if you have either of those. You're going to want that if you're going to put on these doors anyway, so make sure that you can get these straps around these gaps. Be right back with the windows. I got the mirror on and I got it figured out a little bit better. Alright, we got this Kemimoto soft upper doors on. Let's go give it a shot and see how they work. Well, it's definitely a warmer ride with them in here. If you're looking for it to keep the wind out, look to Dirt Warrior. But for the price, these are worth it. I can see myself being able to zip this down, be able to stick my head out and see that tire. So I would give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. GoPro, stop recording.